Thermal, goofing around with my friends, the storks. It's always a pleasure. I still have 30 seconds motor time, so time for me to go for final and bring the ASW for a nice landing, hopefully. Okay, motor out, just gliding. First flaps and second position flaps, nose down a bit, coming in. Ooh, that was sketchy. Still got it. The terrain is not leveled, and it can. I scraped the wing a little bit, and then it caught on the bump. Send it airborne again. Sometimes it's complicated to land on this spot, but all good. As long as I don't end up on the cliff like the other day, I'm all good. I gotta point it further in on my landings because I have this reference spot. My, let's say, entrance gate is right there between those two tree crests you see there, so I use that as a reference point, but maybe I'll start to come in by the left side there so I can point more in, so I can have a lot more runway to go in case of I need. Okay guys, that is it. Another successful flight with the ASW. I hope you have enjoyed, and as usual, I will see you on the next flight. Cheers guys.